Hi there guys, Shaun here from Star Marine with Mr. Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay.
There's no intro, no flashbangs today. The editor Miguel is on holidays.
What?
But we thought we should come straight to you because, oh my gosh, has it been raining.
That's right, you've probably seen in the media that it's been raining in Phuket a little bit.
What we are expecting is quite wet conditions all the way through to Friday this week.
I thought it was today I was going to finish.
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
What?
With that said, the raining has been pretty isolated. Those of you who have been watching Facebook and been seeing the flooding videos, sometimes it's the floodings that's happening in northern Thailand, which shout out to everybody in northern Thailand. You're going through one of the worst floods in 30 years.
That's right. That's almost as old as me.
Correct. More than 100,000 people displaced, thousands upon thousands of homes destroyed.
And horses, the stables up there was flooded in Chiang Rai.
Yes, but very, very, very luckily, the Thailand as a community has responded. I know from Phuket itself, they sent something like 20 trucks of supplies up there.
Yes, and Conjonkit International School, we're doing a thing today where we gave them some money and did some clothes and stuff. They're sent up there. Well done, them.
So congratulations to everyone helping, but let's get specific to Phuket. Phuket is having its normal flash flooding. Now, Jay, what does that mean?
Flash flooding means there's a load of rain comes down in a short span of time, which creates a flash flood, and then that goes and it disperses within about 1 or 2 hours, depending on where the level lies. But also, it's full moon today, so that hasn't helped either, has it?
Yeah, correct. And I would add to that, this morning I drove from home to work, no floods, no rain. Got here perfectly. It's a little bit cloudy. Actually, some sun breaking through today.
Look that way quickly. Look, there's some blue sky up there. Good job, bang-a-lang-a-lang-lang.
So those of you who are asking, is it safe to come to Phuket? The answer remains
yes.
This flash flooding happens every single year. It's not something that is new. It's something that even happens in July. It even happens in August, September. It can even happen in October.
Sometimes.
So what I would like to say to you is you shouldn't let it interrupt your holiday. I did see a post online saying, hey, it's been raining on and off for the last 3 days. Should we cancel the next 10 days of our stay?
No!
The answer is certainly no. From what we can see on our end, and we watch the weather very, very closely, there is a strong wind condition which is causing this rain. That strong wind condition starts to die down on Friday, and it looks like we go to what we call a blue wind, which means calm seas, barely any wind, and potentially good conditions. Not from Friday forward.
Is that a real thing, a blue wind? That sounds naughty, like a blue movie.
So if you follow the wind on Windy, Windy is one of the places that we all use to check wind. Yellow wind is please, it's very scary, it's very windy. Green wind, it's relatively okay, but can be bumpy. Blue wind normally means calm seas. And we're starting to see a blue wind from Friday forward. So I just thought we should get on and give you the quick update because I know that social media can be overwhelming. The thing that you have to understand is that people post things to social media so that they can get engagement, so they can get views, so they can get people to like what they're posting and then get people to respond. But it's actually not the real view of what's happening here in Phuket. And also do note a lot of that footage that's being posted on is from northern Thailand, and there's no denying it. Northern Thailand is having the worst flooding that it's had ever.
That's right.
And they do need your help. And there are great organizations like iCare Thailand, the Bangkok Help Foundation, even here in Phuket, the Kusudam Foundation. All of them are shipping supplies and boats and life jackets and everything that's needed up there. What I have heard this morning is that the flooding in Chiang Rai is starting to recede, and now they're moving towards cleanup mode. So those of you who are looking to help, they're looking for cleaning supplies, brooms, mops, disinfectant, all of this stuff, so they can get back to their normal life. Here in Phuket, that's not needed because we're not seeing this starting to affect local houses at the moment, not like we saw when we had the landslide. That's why Living Waters Foundation has not responded at this point because this is normal flooding. The locals are used to it. The road floods, it goes down. And I think like with the weather it is like now, in the next hour or so, any flash flooding that was on the island would have cleared by now.
Yeah,
So I think it's important you know the full update, because I do get a lot of emails and messages about it. We will always do our best to keep you updated, and in the event we see something that's going to affect your holiday, you can see it right here on YouTube.
That's right. That's good.
Okay.
No, I know, you spoke very well.
Thank you.
Well done. I like the old wind stuff. I used the Beaufort scale myself.
Good.
There you go. Anyway, come to Phuket. It's still safe and fun. Thanks for watching.